Hello.
Welcome to my house, the empty one. So, where do we start? I'm so excited. So this is the grand hallway dining. There is like the front door. We've got a window with the blinds, and then just gonna check. And you walk through here. And you've got the door, and this is our living room. It is big, and we have a bay window. We have a bay window, and then you come over, so echoey, and we've got downstairs situation storage, which is always a great solution. And then this is lovely. I love it. It's great. And you walk through here. We've got two beautiful doors because I'm the lady of the manor. Alright? And you walk through my spacious, loving kitchen. Guys, I love this kitchen so much. And this is my kitchen, and it's got 5 burners. And if you're an African lady, you know you need all the burners to cook. So yeah, I'm not gonna go too in detail. I'll probably do a different kitchen tour. Quite a few things are changing. I wouldn't say a lot, but quite a few things are changing in here. But yeah, this is lovely, and I have one of these funky things, sink, which I love. And guys, you can already see my garden. It's raining today, but I feel like God is blessing us with the rain, so that's fine. But that's literally outdoor Chinedu's office, which is beautiful. We have a bit of storage there, but look at this, guys. I can control my blinds. See technology. Hey! Anyway, we can close that for some privacy. We've got 2 double doors leading to the garden. We've got decking around, which is also so nice. I love these radiators. Oh, it's getting warm. And through here, which I love, there's no door. We have, oh, Chinedu knows the light switches. We actually have the utility. And again, a few things will be changing in here. They've kindly left us the dishwasher, which it's great. It's just a slimline dishwasher, and we've got lots of storage, cupboards, which is great, always handy here. And this is space for the fridge freezer, but we actually have integrated fridge and freezer. This door leads to the downstairs loo, what I call the pink room at the moment. Again, I'll have fun in here because I want to change things up. I want to make it a fun toilet for my guests. So yeah. Yeah, so let's start offing lights because we have to be paying the electricity bill. And so Ayana is sleeping. Okay, let's go upstairs. So I've got this lovely handrail with this lovely carpet. Guys, the carpet is new, which is so good. So what I like about this house is that you actually don't know where the rooms are, which is great. So if you come this side, we have the main bathroom, which I love. It is spacious. Again, look at this sink. Again, storage. It's just well thought of. And then you got the bathroom, and you have skylight, which is great. Leads in lots of light, so we don't actually need to have the lights on here. And the good thing is remote controlled again, and when it rains it just automatically shuts, which is amazing. So that's off. Leading to this room, we have got the what will be the guest bedroom, essentially. This was their daughter's room, so that wallpaper is going away. Yeah. They've kindly left us blinds, which I'm grateful for because they are quite expensive. So they've left the blinds, so that's great. And then what I like to call my own little cove, me and Chinedu's cove, you know. So you come in here, there is this sort of entryway. I don't even know how to explain it. This could even go for a fourth single room, but essentially this is going to be my dressing room, and I'm going to have like a desk and probably have some shelves there where I can put my shoes, my bags. You know I love my bags. So yeah, that's the plan for this area. And then you got another corridor. Honestly, this house is like corridor. But yeah, you've got this room here, and essentially this is going to be Ayana's room. It's really big. I absolutely love it. There's charging, there's points everywhere. It's just well thought of. Like the room is, guys, every room here is like double beds, which is so good. And then finally, you come into the master bedroom, and this is our room where we're gonna make babies. What can I say, guys? It comes with inbuilt wardrobe, which is great. Again, guys, it's beautiful. There's space everywhere, literally. And this is like our previous apartment. We bought furniture which we can actually use on the guest room and Ayana's room. So, whoopsie, careful, Stefania. But yeah, look, there's enough space for my clothes, his clothes, and then we have an ensuite. This is our ensuite. It's not massive, but it will get the job done. We like it, but I'm gonna change it. That's the truth. So yeah, we're just grateful. Guys, let's go back downstairs. Oh, sorry, you want to show again? Okay, I don't want to make it too long. So guys, we have another storage as well here, which is where the old boiler sits. And they did something nice. They have shelving, so we're gonna do the same. And look, the reference line are there, so it's actually easy for us to do the same and replicate. We're gonna put shelving, and they used it as an airing cupboard, which I plan to do as well. I think that's it really. Oh, we've got two lofts. So this is the first loft, and the other loft is, which is insane, guys, this one as well. And as you know, Chinedu will be doing the loft errands because, yeah. So let's go back downstairs and look at this massive wall. We're gonna put a, I don't know, I'm thinking of actually having a chandelier down here. I don't know, we'll see. Back into the heart of the home, guys. I love this space. This space is so beautiful. I just want to say thank you to God for giving us this property. And guys, I'm sorry the weather is so moody, but it's really annoying. But essentially, yeah, this is the house. Follow me for more content. I will be DIYing a lot of things because we are on a budget. We need to save more money, and the plan really is to make this home our first dream home. And yeah, so stay tuned for more content, kitchen decoration / my slight reno and everything in between. Bye. She's mine. And then, God, that's Chinedu's office. Okay, Need to film an empty house tour. Living room is massive. Massive. That's all I can say. This wallpaper is coming out. For some weird reason, I kind of like it now. But no. It's coming. We'll go under the stairs. Everything. Wow. It's way spacious than I thought. Little mama is sleeping. Yes, baby.